Hello to everyone. I'm Mr. Richie Madrid, your instructor in operational management. There are 5 in first part of operational management. There are sister or brother and sister in operational management. First, the operational management. The second is the operational or operation performance. Third, the operation strategy. Fourth, the managing product and service innovation. Number 5 is the structure and scope of operation. So, dapat magkakasabay ang 5 na yan. Okay? Because, pagkakasabay ang 5 na yan, very effective ang operational management. So guys, that is the first part of operational management. Thank you very much and good day.